Hi everyone, so today's nail art is actually going to be a really simple stamping one. I just wanted to try out and show off my latest polish. So I make Indie Polish and I sell it under Nail Pot Polish, and this is Royalty, and as the name suggests, it's this really deep mysterious royal purple, and it does have in it some micro flakies as well, and they just really shine through. So once I get the top coat on and get some pictures, hopefully you'll be able to really see how stunning this colour is. So I'm just doing this simple stamping on it. I actually feel like a bit kind of witchy or something, having this dark purple and then this kind of pattern on it. So I'm using this Born Pretty Spring Garden L003 image plate, and then it's this one in the middle that I've just stamped on every nail. And that's it. So like I said, super simple this week. I just wanted to show off how pretty this polish is. If you'd like to buy one, check out the link down below.